Just a little bit of a swarm. Trying to start a 8-frame half deep mating cube. Hopefully once the queen walks in, everybody will start fanning and everybody will go to the box. Kind of what it looks like it's starting to happen, because they're starting to disappear from the top, working their way into the box. And I've got a bunch of foragers flying around. Just goes to show you don't have to be scared of a swarm. All you have to be scared of is sitting there trying to hold this dang box. It's getting heavier and heavier because it's made out of a Vantac. Easy swarm collection. Alright, have a good one.